ask yourself this question. Why are you watching this video innovation series, and what are you hoping to get out of it? The most common reason is because you have a desire to make and grow your money. I must caution that it's rare for someone to make a living just by trading in the stock market. Rather, the markets are a tool that provides the opportunity for turning the money you have already earned at your day job into earning even more money. Fear is another common motivator for watching this video innovation series. Everyone has heard of the stock market and the stories of how it can make or break your bank account. It is normal to fear the potential losses, but all the while desire the lucrative gains. I'm here to ease your stock market anxiety. Others might have tried their hand at investing, but found little to no success. With this course, I offer up the chance to view the stock markets from my own perspective and what I have found to be successful. Hi, my name is Matt Bernstein from Low Cost Hustle, and there are 3 main ideas you're going to learn throughout the course of watching this video series. First is an introduction to the stock market. Whether you're completely unfamiliar with stock market terminology or not, there's a lot of material to cover here. And if you're confident in your understanding of market concepts and terminology, you may skip this section and go to the second one about thinking rationally. But keep in mind that you're to learn all the letters of the alphabet before you could write full sentences. Second, I'd like to help you get the proper mindset that is necessary for success in the stock market, and that is overcoming your emotions to think in a rational way. I can't even begin to tell you how many stories there are of people who let their emotions get the best of them, and they've lost out for it. We'll go through real-life scenarios that will steer you in the direction of a favorable mindset and also provide some history on the markets. Third, I'd like to take you through the process of how I research stocks for my own portfolio, as well as how I maintain a portfolio to meet my own personal goals. I will explain how I've earned double-digit returns year in and year out. With this video course, I intend to impart the knowledge and way of thinking that I've developed over the years. I promise that by the end of the series, you will walk away with the tools and know-how necessary to outperform well-known benchmarks like the Dow and S&P 500. So with that, I invite you to learn everything that I know about the market and what it takes to outperform it.